Kingston, your heart. Modern vampires of the city. Anti-blood. Blood.
You coulda come from Rima or you come from jungle. Coulda come from Firehouse or you come from Tower Hill. One blood.
GR Productions, in association with Nico Star Music, present a night called Jonah Reid and Friends.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Please fire.
A legendary night out. Come and party with Jonah Reid. You hear me enjoying some legendary songs.
Girl, I never let you go. I need you more each day.
You hear me song from the original days and song from the new album called The Living Legend.
You know that I love you. I know that you. She's mine, she's mine, she's mine, she's mine, she's mine, she's mine.
Okay, all the hit song that you know.
We don't come here for no visa and no passport. We come down here for the same.
To Kingston, your home. The date, Friday, December the 18th. Make that a date and don't be late. With China Nicole, Bobby Condos, Black Scorpio, Atomic King Force, Shiloh, DJ Gallus, King Barker, Marlon Hype, and enough guest artists, enough guest selector. You hear me a mad thing. Friday, December the 18th, Mingles Nightclub, in the Bronx, scene 4012 Boston Road, mad.
Kansas City, Black Jamrock, New York City, so you know enough.